Welcome back! In this class, you will learn how to use the mouse and the keyboard on a computer. You also learn how to use a touch screen on a smartphone or tablet. To use a mouse and a keyboard on a computer or a touch screen on a smartphone or tablet, follow these steps. Using a mouse. Step 1. Move the mouse. Hold the mouse by its body and move it across a flat surface. The cursor on the screen will move accordingly. Step 2. Left click. Press the left mouse button to select items, open files, or interact with on-screen elements. Step 3. Right click. Press the right mouse button to open context menus, access additional options, or perform specific actions depending on the application. Step 4. Scroll. Use the scroll wheel, if available, to scroll up or down within documents, web pages, or menus. Using a keyboard. Typing. You can use the keyboard to type letters, numbers, symbols, and special characters. Press the keys gently to input characters into documents, messages, or search bars. Shortcuts. Learn and use keyboard shortcuts to perform common actions or navigate through menus more efficiently. For example, use Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and Ctrl+Z to undo. Using a touch screen on a smartphone or tablet. Step 1. Tap. To select items or interact with on-screen elements, simply touch the screen with your fingertips. Tap once to open apps, select options, or navigate through menus. Step 2. Swipe. You can swipe with your finger across the screen in different directions to scroll through contents, switch between pages, or navigate through menus. Swipe and hold. In some applications or interfaces, you may need to swipe and hold to access additional options or reveal hidden menus. Step 3. Pinch and zoom. Pinch. You place 2 fingers on the screen and pinch them together to zoom out or make content smaller. Spread. Place 2 fingers on the screen and spread them apart to zoom in or make content larger. Step 4. Press and hold. You can call it long press. Press and hold your finger on an item or icon to access additional options. Open context menus or trigger specific actions. Multi-touch gestures. Some devices support multi-touch gestures, allowing you to use multiple fingers simultaneously to perform actions such as rotating images, resizing elements, or controlling games. We've come to the end of this class, but now I hope you can use your mouse, keyboard, and touch screens well. Remember, practice makes perfect.